Welcome to Seeds of Thought. Today we are going to discuss why boring discipline beats brilliant motivation. You are told success looks like fireworks, sudden breakthroughs, viral moments, perfect timing. But here's the truth. Real success doesn't explode. It accumulates. It hides in the boring, repetitive, unglamorous moments you think don't matter. Every action, every thought, every decision compounds. The small things you ignore are quietly building your destiny. And the greatest trap of all, believing that the big things matter more than the small ones. Today, I'll show you why your success is hiding in plain sight, buried beneath habits so ordinary that most people never find them. Most people don't fail because they lack talent. They fail because they can't stay consistent long enough for success to show up. They start big, they burn bright, then they vanish because their fuel was emotion, not discipline. Motivation is a spark, consistency is the engine. If you rely on emotion, you'll only move when it's convenient. But if you rely on principle, you'll move no matter what. The world rewards those who stay after the excitement fades. The average person lives in a three-step loop. Excitement. They get inspired by a podcast or video. Effort. They go all in for a few weeks. Exhaustion. Results are slow, so they quit and look for a new high. Then they repeat the cycle again, thinking they're improving, but really just starting over every time. That's not growth, that's addiction. The addiction to starting new things instead of finishing old ones. The compound effect doesn't reward starters, it rewards finishers. Every day you're compounding something. Whether you realize it or not, each decision is a vote for who you're becoming. Skip a workout, vote for weakness. Save money, vote for freedom. Read a book, vote for wisdom. Procrastinate, vote for regret. The votes seem tiny, but one day you'll wake up surrounded by the results of the person you've been voting for all along. You are the sum of your repeated choices, not your intentions. Here's the truth. Few can stomach. Consistency will bore you before it rewards you, and that's the test. The compound effect isn't just about building habits. It's about surviving boredom without breaking integrity. You won't always be motivated, but you can always be committed. Champions repeat what average people abandon. That's why consistency feels invisible until it's undeniable. Most people underestimate small progress because it's not dramatic, but 1% improvement per day doesn't feel like much until it's everything. In 1 year, 1% improvement compounded daily makes you 37 times better. That's not theory, that's math. But the flip side, a 1% decline each day makes you almost nothing. So the real question isn't, am I improving? It's, which direction am I compounding in? If you want to change your life, stop chasing motivation and start mastering momentum. Motivation gets you moving. Momentum keeps you unstoppable. And momentum is built through one simple rule: do it anyway. Don't feel like it? Do it anyway. No one watching? Do it anyway. Tired? Do it anyway. Every time you honor the process, the compound effect takes note, and it rewards consistency with confidence. You stop relying on discipline because you become disciplined. The first 90% of the journey looks like it's not working, but here's what's really happening. Every action is building pressure under the surface. Then one day, boom, the breakthrough arrives. People call it luck. But it's really the day your invisible effort became visible. No one saw the quiet mornings, the small sacrifices, the invisible grind, but those were the moments that made the explosion possible. The compound effect doesn't just build wealth, it builds character. In your finances, it's saving $10 a day. In your body, it's 30 minutes of movement. In your relationships, it's showing gratitude instead of taking people for granted. In your mindset, it's feeding your brain with truth, not noise. Each area compounds separately, but together they shape your destiny. Success isn't one massive leap, it's 1,000 quiet steps done faithfully. If you do what's easy, your life will be hard. If you do what's hard, your life will be easy. That's the compound equation. Your comfort today is your cost tomorrow. Your discipline today is your dividend tomorrow. The compound effect doesn't ask for perfection. It demands consistency, because consistency multiplied by time equals transformation. Every person you admire has paid this price, but you didn't see the price. You only saw the payoff. You saw the mansion, not the mornings, the speech, not the silence, the confidence, not the countless days of doubt. The truth is, the compound effect is not glamorous, but it's guaranteed. You can't cheat it, you can only choose it. So here's the real secret to success. Success isn't a secret, it's a system. And that system is built on small, daily, boring disciplines that no one claps for. So don't chase excitement, chase alignment. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Create momentum, because every small action is either building your future or burying it. And 5 years from now, you'll either thank yourself or wish you'd started today. The compound effect is always working. The only question is, for you or against you? If this message hit you, subscribe and share it with someone who's starting to doubt the process, because their small efforts today could be the spark that changes their life tomorrow.